All right, everybody, I was going through my messages and I noticed that I had one person that asked about a previous video I made when I talked about searching for sounds.
See that little search option right there? Press that and you can pull up more sounds.
He noticed with the newer update, when he would hit the button, he didn't realize or that it won't work anymore. And I'm talking about the 8th button. But you know, with everything, there's a workaround. So instead of using the 8th button, you can use the 4D encoder, okay? Let's check it out. All right, so check this part out right here. Let's say that we're actually here. I already got my song ready up, and there's nothing here, but I want to try some different kicks, but I don't feel like going through 4,000 kicks, all right? So maybe I want to stay within the same kit. I can use this search button. So if I hit this, boom, see how it put me there? And then I can just scroll through these kicks right here from that same program. So it's an easy way that you can go through those kicks. Let's try something a little different. All right, well, you know with the machine, if you want to really switch pads here, so what you got to do is hit browse, then hit that pad, then go back into browse. But what I want to try to do is I want to try to find another snare. If I hit search, boom, it's going to take me back to True Arrays. Then I'm going to start looking for the different snares that are there. So it's just another way to navigate and find different things to go through all the different sounds that Native Instruments has. Yeah.